Alright. Off. On. Alright. And now we wait. I actually ran out of butter, so I'm gonna have to use some of this milk. Actually ran out of eggs as well, so I have to rob my mum's and dad's, which that's why it says family pie, right? Egg. Grab your egg, crack it on the side, and break it in there. Perfection. We have breaking news. It looks like it's about to flow over. But I think we're safe. So whilst you're waiting for the eggs to cook, gotta play some Dragon Ball Z, ain't it? Alright, I think that's about ready. So all we want to do is do the transfer maneuver. Pour the juice out. Ooh, yes. And then get a spatula. So then all you do, you just snap them on there. Just like that. Whoa, it's a bit steamy. To get that out. Bon appetit. That beats Gordon Ramsay right there. And there we have it. Just gonna drink the milk first. Egg. And that is how you make perfect eggs. Look at that. So I've actually been banned from the kitchen right now, so I'm outside. But you grab your utensil. Bon appetit.